Good morning everyone. So I'm going long on Bank Nifty 20,300 put option. So
order filled.
As you could see my position right now, I've taken 250 quantity, that is 10 lots at an average price of 300, and currently PNL is 461, and I'm hoping the targets above 400. Let's see how it goes. Alright, so I have hedged my positions also with the 20,700 call option at 314 250 quantity. The reason was I see there's a market is going sideways, and and there is one reason that the market can take a good support from here and could break the resistance. So I didn't want to take any risks as of now, because I waited for almost an hour and there was no trend follow to buy. So maybe a hedge position was always a good option. So let's see how it goes now. Alright guys, so this is my position after the hedge. 40k profits in call option, 23k loss in put option. Overall I'm in a profit of 17,000. So I'm gonna exit my position, not gonna wait for long as there's a big resistance over there.
Order filled.
Long, and I closed
order filled.
And I've closed my both positions at the profit of 16,155, and I hedged Bank Nifty options. And there we go at the end of the week. And I'm in a total profit of 50,253 in futures and 19,732 in options. As yeah, that was right what I did, and the market just rebounded back, touching the resistance. Anyways, a good day. I'm not going to take any more positions as of now. If there is anything, I'll keep you posted, and see you guys soon.